Okay, so today we're going full-on green goddess. No stove, no guilt, no boring salad vibes. It's a viral veggie wrap that's crunchy, creamy, and packed with protein. Your taste buds will thank you, your gut will thank you. Let's get started. Okay, first up, we're gonna start with the green goddess sauce that's gonna go into this wrap. It's very tasty. We are going to begin with slicing open one avocado. You're going to use a quarter of it in the wrap and then half of it in the sauce. All right, so I'm just going to scoop this out. You wanna make sure you're using a ripe avocado. Mine's totally ripe, don't worry about it. Chop it up in little pieces, there it goes. The recipe calls for 1 clove, but yeah, I'm a garlic lover, so I'm gonna put in 2, or maybe 3. Okay, 3. Now for this particular recipe, I've given you the option of using either Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, or Silken tofu. If you've never used Silken tofu before, it's very soft. It's very soft, but you're gonna use 2 tablespoons of the Silken tofu. And the same applies for the Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons. And then the juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Yeah, I fully missed. Okay, salt to taste, I think that's good. Time to blend. After I plug it in. Yeah, that's good. Okay, the last ingredient to be added before we actually build the wrap is some cucumber slices. So the toughest part is done. Let's get to the building of the wrap. I am using some whole wheat wraps. There's also the protein ones. They're a little bit more expensive, but they are an option for you. We are going to start by smearing our sauce first. The glue that combines everything. I'm not the biggest avocado fan, but if you give me like guacamole or something like that, yeah, I'll eat it till the cows come home. I don't know what that means, but yeah. In building your wrap, you're gonna begin with some white beans. So I'm using them from a can, cannellini beans, really tasty, but I'm not gonna use all of them, of course, it's about a quarter. Then we're gonna go with your shredded red cabbage and your grated carrots. Now, I decided to go with a packaged deal, and so I've got like a coleslaw style salad that I bought. It's got everything in it. It's got cabbage, the red cabbage, carrots. So I was like, let's use this instead. It's faster. As much or as little as you want, totally up to you. Then we're gonna add in our cucumbers, avocado from the ripe avocado that I used, and some microgreens. I've got the radish variation here. These are great for protein, for all different types of nutrition, vitamin A, B, C, and often higher than what you'll find with the actual vegetable or fruit itself. If you watched my video from last week, you'll know that. If you didn't, it's okay, just go back and watch it after. This looks pretty good. What am I doing here? Am I doing it right? Sure, that's nice. Hey, get in there. Oh, smells so good. Bon appetit. That's so good. Everything combined, I love the freshness, I love the crunch, but definitely the sauce makes it awesome. It's so flavorful. It's very nice and creamy with the chunks of the avocado. It's really tasty. If you're tired of boring salads, this wrap is your upgrade. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more flex-friendly meals that won't weigh you down.